Hi, how are you guys? Nice to see you guys again. Thank you guys like my video and subscribe me. Thank you very much. Today is the October 3rd. Today so cloudy and raining later. The raining just stopped. That's why I come out to check out my flowers. Look at them. They look so good. Nothing purple right now. I'm not sure until Wednesday how they look like, because I check out the weather. The weather is until Wednesday, even Wednesday so raining. You guys see it? Cloudy right now, later keep going to raining. That's why I'm not sure until Wednesday how they look like. Right now they look like so happy. They are, because they drink a lot of water, they full, and the temperature is getting a little bit low, and they will look pretty. Until right now look pretty, but after Wednesday or after one more week, I don't know, because the raining until the Wednesday. Until Wednesday, that means the water raining how many days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 5 days ago. And you know, the succulent plants, they cannot drink that much water. They have to watery and fast dry up. And not like that, their roots going to block, and the flower will going die. That's why. Right now, they look so good, because they drink a lot of water and look pretty, and the temperature is really good for them. And now is the October 5th. Temperature is I think it's around 60 degrees right now. See, so cloudy. Just stop the raining. So cloudy. My flower, they look okay. Just some is the color, not that much only. The color. So before the color is so pretty, but get that much water, look like the color look like little bit light. But the true is get more color. Maybe the temperature is right. That's why. And see that? Some is the color not that much pretty. Some is get more pretty. Check off. so look like that. Saturday until now Wednesday is the couple days raining. They got a lot of water. The raining just stopped up today. So just like that, they'll be okay. Everybody look okay, but I'm not thinking that they'll be fine. You know why? Because that time they got too much water. That's why. I will keep an eye, watch them and check out them. Until 1 more week. After 1 more week, they so look like same thing. That means they're okay. No problem. Maybe after 1 more week, maybe you might will hear somebody die. Look at the flowers. The flower was scented ones, but the zebra herself look at now couple thing coming up. Look at that. That the succulent family. They be changed. Just like that look, they'll be fine, no problem. I will check out at next week. After 1 more week, I will check one more time. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys liking my video and subscribe me. Thank you so much. See you next time.